Hi, this is Daniel from North Shore Home Services in Fleetwood, and today I'll be talking about the 5 crucial steps to hiring a professional house painting company. If you're planning to paint your home, you might be tempted to try and do it all yourself, but choosing a professional crew to take care of it instead will cause you less trouble and give you better quality results. Here are the 5 steps to hiring a good quality house painting expert. Choose quality from the start. Check painting contractors for references and previous work to make sure that you are working with quality house painting contractors from the start. Discuss what you want. It's your home. Make sure that the colors you pick suit your home and your settings. A quality house painting contractor will help you with color coordination. Get a complete estimate. Ask the contractor to break down the costs and explain how they price a project. Know what's included in the quote. Make sure there are no surprises for extras like prepping the area, the need for special equipment, or the final cleanup costs. Write up a contract. Make sure that all the materials, paint, and time required to do the job is written down and what is expected of both parties. I hope you found this video helpful and would invite you to call us today. An appraising professional will go over these 5 steps with you and help you choose a professional house painter.